Greetings, fellow wolves. Welcome to another episode of Alpha Wolf News, and let's start with some exciting news for our pack and Alpha Ton crypto game players. You already know that in order to increase your passive income in the game, you need to upgrade your passive income cards. But what if you don't have enough coins for the next upgrade? Don't worry, my wolves, it's not a problem anymore. Now you can ask your friend to send you some Alpha Ton coins. How to do so, you ask? When you don't have enough coins to upgrade your cards, you will see the notification that you can ask your fellow wolves to send you some coins. This is it. Don't hesitate and smash Ask for Help button. Each friend can send you 1,000 coins per day. Maximum is 30 friends can send you extra coins. This is 30,000 coins per day. Amazing news. What is also amazing, my wolves, our channel on YouTube has reached 100,000 subscribers and our community on Telegram has reached 250,000 subscribers. Thank you for your support. Our next howl of the day echoes from the football legend Ronaldinho Gaúcho. Yes, you heard it right. The Brazilian soccer wizard is hinting at a return to the crypto den. On June 23rd, Ronaldinho took to X, declaring it's time for cryptocurrency to go mainstream and invited his fans to join the hunt. However, not all wolves in the crypto forest are ready to follow his trail. Crypto watchdog ZachXBT reminded us of Ronaldinho's past adventures in the cryptosphere, where he previously promoted ventures like World Cup Inu, Atari Chain, Lord Society NFT, and the meme coin Baby Doge. Next up, Solana is turning heads with a groundbreaking innovation aimed at slashing on-chain storage costs by a staggering 99%. The tech wolves at Solana have unveiled ZK compression, leveraging zero-knowledge proofs to compress on-chain data efficiently. With this cutting-edge technology, developers can now store vital data on Solana's ledger at a fraction of the usual cost, without sacrificing security or performance. To give you a sense of the savings, imagine storing 100 compressed token accounts for just 0.0004 SOL, instead of the typical 0.2 SOL. That's a jaw-dropping 5,000x reduction. This breakthrough not only fortifies Solana's standing as a cost-effective chain, but also opens new pathways for developers to explore. Pop sensation Jason Derulo found himself in hot water after launching his very own meme coin, aptly named Jason. On June 23rd, Derulo trumpeted the coin's arrival to his 3.5 million followers on X. But instead of rising to the stars, Jason dropped dramatically, losing over 72% of its value in mere minutes. Investors and fans who joined the frenzy are left licking their wounds, as the coin's value evaporated faster than a wolf's howl on a cold night. This tale is a stark reminder to our pack: always tread cautiously and sniff out the truth before diving into any new crypto venture, no matter how shiny it might appear. That's all for today, my fellow wolves. Until next time, join the pack by subscribing to our channel, keep howling at the moon, and let Alpha Ton connect you and your fellow wolves.